Wait. The male moves his wings nice. I'll be in my bedroom making no noise and pretending that I don't exist. Quarantine 2020 shirt like a female and attracts other males to infect with psychedelics? Is this some sort of actualized Alex Jones conspiracy fantasy? To quote the SCP Foundation writing guide, Mother Nature is a better horror writer than you'll ever be. Holy shit, you figured it out. 2020 is a computer simulation created based on InfoWars rants. Rabid platypus invasion is a long shot, but no more. Nice, I'll be in my bedroom making no noise and pretending that I don't exist. Quarantine 2020 shirt. Tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. V-neck, tank top, sweatshirt, hoodie. It's funny because TLOU is literally based on this exact strain. In fact, the disease is basically if cordyceps could spread to humans. The first thing I thought of was Paris and Parasect from Pokemon. The first thing I thought of was Paris and Parasect. Nice, I'll be in my bedroom making no noise and pretending that I don't exist. Quarantine 2020 shirts from Pokemon. Due to their relatively slow rate of reproduction, the fungus does not present a major threat to the cicada. Other product.